Kanami pite tu kala chun Kanggui Khopi Kanggui town Kimvela Ukeng Neho chalo no ho hi aval jep tawin hizong le thilhom chandan hi nampi azapazo si lunghang thai dingyong ta san omen lungjong ilunghang diu hi in ahin athum dan ho hi ipiti ham ti heading dei zala iti video hi kin sem ki da hi zin abula patna achai na geya ina vedwa ina ngai divin in kitim ki divin hi amasa penin Kangpopi district hi velewhen a district let dan hi 1698 square kilometer hi in ahin Kanggui Khopi town song hi 2 square kilometer zong thenglo hi kinin geographical ta in north south east west a ga seilewhen north lang hi district council office kom leikhat a umin hi a hi in hi khellang bodong pang ho ahin mi phabe ba chengon ama ho chen na chan hi tiding a hi tan abanin satang hi ga seikit lewhen hilang hi hilai mun phailanga kuna ihungle hichi ward number 14 zot to namun hi Kanggui Khopi ki patna chu a hi kinin hichi lai mun hi Ukeng Neho khu daily village kiti national highway pangta a hi cheng a hi win ama ho hi atam zo mau zat mi a hi kit win hichia pana hi ihung sung lut jeple IT road a hi tan hichi lai mun hi tuilang lang zot na le Kanggui adinga bazar kaina alien pen nute kai thang ho chu hilai mun ho a hi kit a hi in a hi tun islang hi ga seilew han islang hi vadung khat infal river vadung along lut khat a umen chihi phaisung ge ya chi vadung hi long lut na hi in hi chihin Kanggui Khopi hi Achen kit a hi tan hi chia mol ki mu ho hi holin mol tin a ki he in hi chi mol hi a hi in tu chung Ukeng ne hon ata ata zengo JCB a su zeng naw social media dung ho a imujing naw chu a hi in tun westlang hi ga seilew han westlang hi thuboya patna za jingu mission hospital kiti a ana namun anoi chet na hin cemetery thlan mol awmin chi thlan mol lai chu Kanggui dinga westlanga dinga hi border ti chu gamgi chaina chu a hi kita na hi Khopi khana het wang wa hi ane wa neu chu a hi in sei ma bang wa chu 2 square kilometer jong thinglo chu a hi kinin westlang thu ga sei ma sa le han tu kala Ukeng ne hon gam chen na dinga asu hi westlanga mission hospital iti naw sa lang pe eimi khu mau hing to kinai lang chu a hi in chi gam leiset asu na mun hi Ukeng ne ho khu chawang kining ti khu om ki nin chi ama ho ho khom chu Ukeng ne ho khu thonglang ki ti ma khat jong om ki nin chi thil su na mun hi khulen ki ti e ho eimi ho ho hi ki nin chi lai gam hi chawang kininga Ukeng ne ho hin apha se aga chu jingo chu a hi in hi chi inmun mi sang khat lang chen sa na dinga inmun JCB in asu chu nini lang kai go hong hitan chi thu hong chun ajanin jong drone hi sagi lang gate lang hi mu thein anomin iti chun ako ma cheng ho chule Kanggui a cheng mi pi ho chu an sulung law thlai jengwin azingin Kanggui lang a hi a hokom ho a hi a usal hon amun chu na delvin ki het them tu na chu an ki tan chi je chun hi chi thu a hin thu chin chu I macha tu ge na hi la in hi abanin islang thu ga seilew han islanga hi sei ma bangwa hi holin mol a hi in tu a Ukeng ne hon lampi asu jing naw hu a hi in hichi gamle thlang Ukeng ne hon lampi asu naw jong hi ama ho gam ti chu Kanggui Khopi kom chakhat na chungo bung kiti eimi ho khu ko ma khu khat cheng Ukeng ne ho khu ti hulin kiti te gam lagu a hi kinin hichi hoji a hi tu ka la hi social media dunga a hello khat le ni in asu asa sei wang wa chu a thu he ho kangui khomi te dinga chu upai lo a hi in aji chu government le kha chiteng le British ten apu lai wa pa na apu pa te vin ana pi naw le kha phatte aki maintain ji wa legal langa dinga chu seidi lo upai lo itiu chu a hi zengin ji a chu ana to uzong boina lo hi la tu ge ya khu machal jing wa chu a hi in hi alampi lai danu hi sanapati mu langa ko na hongki pan a hi in kangui lang hi hen zo pa mai danu a hi in hoilang su do a hi ding jong hi confidential thetna ukeng ne hon akoi ki no a hi in ahin thulam leng ki mudana wang itilampi hin hul district aho a Myanmar langa target abol dan mun jong akisein hiti achu hiti kholen mola loki bol thingthlang le hi a aki bol ho zo si khu ukeng ni ho hin kum khatna ding kum ni ading kum thuma ding kum nga ading ti a hi hiti a hi gampan hi akila jingjeng chu hi in hiti ji a hi athu helo hon lungna ta a social media dunga thu he chen do wa thu mo sei lo dingin ikiti movin chile hiti islang thu isei naw hi chan chu isa o hitin tun sap langa sei lew han sap langa hi infal langa pana kangui khopi lu na dinga hi daily village ki ti kha ukeng ne ho chen na khu a umin chi khu hi tila chu in som nga wal ho bet hi in tu a wang hi in hi janilang tabang a hi ki ta win 1993 94 la ya chu ama ho to iki boi la yu wa jong chu su mang thei khu chu a hi in a hin a khu hi national highway 2 a cheng hi ji wa hi security lampanga chu thu a boi le army police crpf ho kangu khopi a ho dinga ga del na ding nai cha hi in achung chunin thuboi lai chun air ho jingka jan kitilowin aphat sen duty sentry abol jingole hu bulu diyong chu ha mama hi je a chu an hoido jing chu an hiki duin kangui lang thua seidinga hi thu atam thle jengin saw lang a hin aji chu hilang mun hi kangui to lamkar ki jot manat na jong a hi ki nin saw lang hi FNCC te dia itia galzowa patna organization tha hongmin chi ma jing ho bis jong a hi ki nin tele ka la le ZUF on ka ni le bol je a emi lobu ho ahal jingnaw le awat jingnaw mun ho chu a hi ki nin a hi ahin tu chung NSNIM etaw launcher th muiwa in Achen na khu hongwila ahungkle langa sanapati building ati na wachun alem na signboard ana tawin athil ta uchu mi kehlo pasal phabe men ana su sit je win athu hi NPO Nagas People Organization gain hi chi thu hi thu kho ta in ana lucky du win eho emi ho chen na hop sung zo se chu thilbol hon hi chi banner su se wa chun ngaidam athum lo wa hele economic blockade ki phon khumding hi tin ana phong do win hi hiti chun aphat ahlin phanin koiman ale don lo wole koi machan ngaidam ga thum lo phat wo chun ni khat ni chu economic blockade chu an pan ngal ta win hi hichi kala hin CSO langa ko tu hon hichi ni khat mini thilbol je a hi community khat bon cha apum pi a kingo jeng hi adi thei poi tin ama hon jong pi a han so ki tu win hi chi thu hi thu de la boi na to su ve lowa su sang lo ding in jong a sei win hi chi phat chom khat zo chun CSO lam kai phawe min alanga mi pi ho ding gel na in ga ki ho pi win a hi le ni so ma ding in economic blockade chu ana la do ki ta win hi hi chi ho Thuthu ho kala achun national media thudi langa ki hemama the printe chun iho SA idel na thuwa NSNIMA deputy eto kilonsar VS athem interview aboluvin aman hichi abol na achu hiti hin nui zadum ta in ku kite thule kangpu pi kangui to tengno pal thu chu ana sei kinen athu sei na hi ga ngai kitri hiti we.
The KUKIs, it is the making of the government of India. Right from the very beginning, even the Britishers, they used the KUKIs against the Nagas. That is why Haibu Chatonang, he felt very, very unhappy with the British policy. And he said, these people were brought, he meant KUKIs, were brought by those white people as porters, coolies. And they found those people to be capable of handling guns. So they were trained in how the warfare should be fought. They were trained, and then they were allowed to go back home on condition that they would be called back for any other duties, and they should not fail to respond, for which they would be exempted of the house taxes. And that is how KUKIs were used. But unfortunately, in 1917, when there was this war in Europe, the Second World War, the British mobilized the villagers, the Naga villagers, as well as the KUKIs. The KUKIs refused, whereas the Nagas, 2,000 of the Naga hill tribesmen, they volunteered, and they were taken to France. But when the KUKIs revolted, instead of revolting against the British government, they took on the Nagas, and many villages were completely destroyed. Hundreds of people were killed. That is why Chatonang said, the white people are the evils. He did not blame the KUKIs, but he blamed the British, and that is why he was hanged. That is it. So the Indian government has picked up the same policy, and the KUKIs were used against the Nagas from the very beginning of the Naga national resistant movement.
KUKIs, if they say they want separate administration for Churachandpur, we have told them from long before that we will give our full support. But for Khopi and this Technova, that is not their place.
Hachia aman asay pipen hi kukite hi kulia dinga British ten ahin puiluwa kiho nago ho chunga galebol sa hi in hichi a policy hi tuge achi pive ti asay hi achamlan ta iga asay hintin abana asay hi kukiten Chuchanpur separate ati wa hile hichi wangchu sona pana kana seisa wa hitan nagohon full support kapi di hi in ama wang kangpo pile tengno palwang ama hoga mahipui ti chu ki hedo hentin ana seiki nen he ahile alangkhana hitia kukite chunga NPO ho economic blockade bol chu nisom atha ongdinga ana seu chu aphat honglengal kitan athanga hausa kiloi khom ho chu kukin pi stingle kukin pi Saddle Hills KUKI Chief Association Sahika ho chun ichi teach miwa poster ki su sit na thu achun NPO ho ko ma ngaidam thumin anakal songal tawin athanga mi pi ho gen thein dingel ji chun MOU Memorandum of Understanding jong sign hin bolwin akinop to na wa chun communal slogan so sapna ki bol ta loading ki bol ki le ki movet ta loading chule naga ho ti cho ma ho okeng ne ho khubela national highway dunga jan ge dunga mo wa ho phate cha avet sui divin kinop to na ananei ta vin hi tu not lang hi themphat ga sei lew hen Kanggui not lang hi Kangyu Khopi hi national highway tu helle eho emi khomama es changobung hi in hichilai mun ge hi ahi kinin ama ho boundary hi aban hi tua okeng ne ho khu ti hulien chu ipai kit ahitan ama ho hi Kangui Khopi islanga holen mol kiti amol athang nei te khu chu ahi kit uvin ti hulien khu hi helle milong okeng ne ho khu hi snaputi ge ya ki gol hlung pe a ahitan aka la hi tua saitu emle pu hau kholet ki biante khu hengbung le taphau KUKI kiti eimi te khu snaputi pha masang je ma khu hi in hichi khu taphau khu chu eho eimi te khu adinga Achai na chu ahi ta na hi hichi din man ho ji a hi Kangui Khopi sunga CSO ho ti chu KUKI in pi Sadar Hills Sahilka KSO Kotu kiti ho zo si hin boina ki nei po po le FNCC ho thu hi hen NPO ho thu UNC ho thu IM ho thu ho a hi agam mi ho gen thein ding dei lo je a hi ama ho nu ya hi kuna thei chana kun kunwa taw na thei the a hi taw jing chu a hi in langkhana e san te to galu jong ukeng ne hon advantage ala uwa chance la na a nei ki uwa hitia hi kisa hi win hi ahin minu ya kun kun naw jong hi a sot the jengtan khat veile ilam kai ho jong hi akitim zolo pha no hum ding e hin chi phat ta teng la chun ilam kai ho jong hi hungpo ke tai diu chu gin chat ta hi chi chun aban thu ho hi ilam kai ho hungpo ke tengole athu hi sei ta hi tiwin tunia dingin hi ho thu sein ho hi chen hin chai ta hi tiwi